see if I can get you to have some fun here.
Old Fumblemits strikes again. The catchphrase is, now you're thinking like Dan. Oh, there he is!
Most people don't throw these in a fire. They don't do that.
There goes a responsible young golden boy with a little golden stash. That's how you do it.
To start the season!
Get him. Another cup of coffee? Don't mind if I do. I look up and there's more ducks flying around. And so I jump in my blind with my waders at my knees. Man, they decoyed perfect. Decoyed perfect. So I'm pretty much set up. Got my decoys out, jerk rig set up, spinner set up. I'm ready to go. Old Iz and I are just chilling in the dark here. So I thought I'd have a little coffee real quick. So this is only the second solo hunt that I have been on since I started this channel 3 years ago. I went on one last year on the river. It was a really unique experience. I didn't shoot anything, but it was one of the more memorable hunts of the entire year. And like I've said, there was a time around 2007, 2008 when old Fumblemits didn't live in this area and I didn't have any hunting buddies, and I was going through time in my life when a lot of changes were taking place and I had a lot of stresses around me for certain. And so getting out there and hunting by myself was very spiritual and healing. There is just something about getting out by yourself and being in the creation of God. And so you just sit there and contemplate, and there's no one to joke with, no one to goof around with, and so you're just left with your thoughts. And you're left with your thoughts in a place that couldn't be more conducive to relaxation and peace. So I would just say, if you've never had the chance to get out by yourself, it's something that you should do at least once a year. The GoPro's probably not getting this because it's so dark, but I got one mallard drake. They're not quite coming in like I want them to. They're landing on the outskirts. I hope the GoPro got that one. I got two now, 2 for 4. So those came right in. I had a hen right in that. I let off that hen and took a little farther drake and dropped him on my second. So hopefully the GoPro got that one, 2 for 4. Hey, that was really nice how those birds decoyed though, so that's encouraging. And here this morning, there are 2 guys. Let's see if I can see them. Where are you? Where are you? There they are. They are sitting over pretty much bare mud. There they are. I'm telling you, I've been over there. That's mud. They're hunting over mud. We've got some spinners over mud. At least they're a long way from me, I guess. Well, I made a decision there I might end up regretting. I'm pretty sure the GoPro got that. 3 hens came in just perfectly, and I went in and took 2 of them. So I've got 4 mallards, 2 hens, 2 drakes. So this year I've shot, 25 5 drakes and now 3 hens. So my ratio is pretty good, 25 to 3. That's pretty good for my ratio. But I did decide that, the movement's pretty darn slow today. I can just feel this is the kind of day that you got to clean up quick. So I made the decision to go ahead and take those 2 hens. Man, they decoyed perfect. Decoyed perfect. So that was great. So, I'm not opposed to, I really want to shoot green. That's really what I shoot is green heads. But I'm not opposed to taking some hens. But man, this little ringneck is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful duck. I'm pretty sure the GoPro got that. That was just such a beautiful decoy, how those ringnecks came in. They flipped their wings and that black and the white combined on the breast was just right there. Man, that was awesome. Things are going great. 5 for 9. I gotta say, I keep missing my first shot. I don't know if you guys have noticed over some of these videos, but on my very easiest shots, I miss the first one and then connect on the second. And I think that I'm just getting so excited that I'm not really fully aiming or something on the first one, but I keep missing the first easy shot. But anyway, that was awesome. So 5 for 9. I got another one away from my limit. But now that I'm sitting here with 5, 2 drakes, 2 hens, and a ringneck, I'm wishing that I hadn't shot 2 hens. At this point, I will only take mallard drakes, pintail drake, a fully plumed out widgeon drake. I don't know if I'd take a redhead drake or not. Obviously a canvasback, because that's king of all kings, the canvasback. The canvasback is the royalty of all ducks. And they are incredible. They are just considered royalty. So if I could get it, I haven't seen one, but I'm saying I would take it right now. So there's very select few ducks I would take right now. I've been talking to Fumbles. It's 17 degrees out here right now. Actually, the ice is kind of starting to form. It's 17 degrees. He's got doctor's order. He can't come in under 32. He will, but at 7. So he's actually around, but he's trying to let it warm up a little bit. I wish he'd get in there and get on some of these birds because he's missed so many good hunts out here. So hopefully he'll come down in here and make an appearance. I don't know what these are. Not sure. Another cup of coffee? Don't mind if I do. Why didn't he shoot the mallard right down in the decoys on the first one, you say? Well, I was standing on the bank taking a piss, and that drake came and dropped straight down right in front of the camera. I look up and there's more ducks flying around. And so I jump in my blind with my waders at my knees, and then I took that one, which should have been on as well. So I've got my limit. I got to get Trumbull timer down. And now I shouldn't have shot those stupid hens. Shouldn't have shot those hens. Gosh darn it. Oh well. Man, this year is going well, and this has been a blast.